Hello, and welcome to Cooking, Crafting, and Gardening with Margaret and Mia. Today I am going to show you how to make a topiary plant out of a regular hanging plant. My husband and I found some beautiful hanging plants at the flea market today, and I've already made a topiary plant out of one of them. Baby, will you please show them that one? So that's one that I've already experimented, and it turned out wonderful. My husband couldn't believe how beautiful it is. So now I'm going to do this one so that you guys can see how you can take just a regular old hanging plant and turn it into a beautiful topiary. So the tools that you will need, you'll need some gardening shears, some gardening tape, and some gloves. And you will also need a pole to put in the middle, and what you're going to do is gather the branches and tie each branch to the pole until you have each one anchored to the pole. And in the end, it is going to look like this. And I think it turns out to be beautiful. So we will come back on camera in a few minutes once it's completed.